Hello, my name is Dan Dostie and I work for the Natural Resources Conservation Service. I'm presently a liaison to USDA's climate hub for the Northeast region, and there I serve as an advisor on NRCS programs and how our assistance can help farmers adapt to climate change. In managing a grazing pasture or a woodlot, one of the first steps is identifying your objectives. What are the desirable plants and what are the undesirable plants? You make choices for encouraging those species that you want, the desirables, and discouraging those species that you don't want. Some species are more invasive than others and will become more invasive under changing growing conditions because they're more adapted and suited to those changing conditions. So I'm holding one particular undesirable in my hand. It's called Jimson weed, and it's actually listed on the Pennsylvania Department of Agriculture's noxious species list. What that means is that individual landowners and managers have a responsibility to control noxious species weeds and prevent their escape from their property onto their neighbors. It doesn't mean full eradication. It doesn't mean really anything than preventing their escape. And so you certainly can have them on your property. I think this makes a very good educational demonstration here of Jimson weed. Here you can see that this mature seed pod, what I'm doing here is spreading it, causing Jen more problems. So this is what you want to prevent. This pod may not quite be mature yet, and so the idea to control this plant is to terminate it before it does this.